Hello, I'm Sylvia Smith, President of Western Title Company. I'm here today to talk to you about all the services that we offer that can assist you in any type of real estate transaction you may have. We can handle anything from vacant land all the way to complex commercial transactions. We trace our roots back to 1902. That's a long time ago. What does that mean to you? It means that we've been around long enough to have the experience you need to make sure your transactions handle properly. It also means that we all are very forward-thinking in the things that we offer to you. We're very progressive, we're here to assist you, and we change as the times change. One of those changes is our new company called Shortsales Solutions. We're here today to talk about that, and with me we have Cindee Baker. Cindee is our short sale processor, and we're going to walk you through that. As you know, in today's times, our market has changed dramatically. In Washoe County, pretty much most of northern Nevada, approximately 70 to 80% of the resale transactions that are not bank owned are short sales or a distressed sale. They can be called either one of them. If you're selling under a short sale and you're a real estate agent representing a seller for a short sale transaction, boy, have we got some great news for you. And if you're a buyer and you're purchasing a short sale property, we also have great news because this service will really assist you and your agent to know the follow-throughs being done. With that, Cindee's going to talk a little bit about what we can do for you. Hi, Cindee. Thanks for being here with me today.
Thank you.
Why don't you explain to everyone exactly what Short Sale Solutions can do to assist with a short sale transaction?
Well, probably one of the most valuable things that we do is we'll save the realtor their biggest asset, and that's time. We'll handle all the phone calls, the emails, the computer work, the uploading, all the follow-up that's necessary for each transaction, saving them all of that time, allowing them to do what they do best, and that's sell homes.
And we like it when they sell homes because that's more business for everyone. Can you talked about uploading. Can you explain what does that mean to like a seller or to the real estate agent? What is that?
Well, there are some computer systems that do require us, instead of faxing in documents, to upload them directly into their system.
Oh.
So it's more of an immediate response directly to the bank, and there's a better tracking system by doing so. It gets complicated with the computer, and many people steer away from using the computer, so it's a nice feature for them that they don't have to rely on doing that. We'll take care of it for them.
Great. So if I'm a seller and I'm realizing that I do have to make the unfortunate choice to do a short sale on my property, can you tell me a little bit about what should I expect to have to bring in or provide to my real estate agent or to you if you're assisting my agent?
To a seller, it is very similar to actually purchasing the home. Just like qualifying to purchase the home, you provide your tax returns, your paycheck stubs, your bank statements. A short sale is virtually the same thing in reverse. You're applying or qualifying for the short sale. So you need to supply all of that documentation again.
So it can be pretty, it's not something that for the faint-hearted then really. You need someone with experience, and it would be a nice factor to have someone like you guiding me through that.
Absolutely.
Okay, great. And it sounds like you do a lot of the behind-the-scenes work and you do a lot of follow-up with my lender. Can you tell me like how do you communicate what's going on in my transaction? How often, or what can I expect once I bring you in all my paperwork?
Well, what we do at Short Sale Solutions is we handle every single file at least once a week. Sometimes more often, just depends on how quickly the banks are responding to us. And as we work on every file, we will email the selling agent as well as the buyer's agent and give them an update. And that's every time that we communicate with the bank. Now, what we'll also do is we'll provide them with the information necessary to forward the information on to either their buyer or their seller, and it allows everybody in the transaction to be updated at exactly the same time.
Great. Now, when you receive short sale approval, what happens then? Do you coordinate with Western Title, with my escrow officer? How does that part work?
Absolutely. We work very closely, and once you have your approval letter, everyone can somewhat celebrate. That's what we're here to achieve. So when you have the approval letter, that's when the escrow officer gets back involved into the transaction. They will take it from there and prepare all of the necessary documents, work with your lender to get everything closed and recorded so that you are now no longer the homeowner of that home and out of your short sale.
Wow. That would be great. I'm sure that final approval letter is probably like, woohoo, go and celebrate. So can you tell me, it sounds like you take a lot of burden off the real estate agent and the seller. And if I were a buyer personally, I would be really happy to know that you're handling that and that there's regular follow-up on that file so that ultimately we're going to get to that end process of closing. So what are your fees? What do you charge for this service that you offer?
Well, here's the great part. If escrow is opened with Western Title Company, the short sale processing fee is waived.
Wow, that's a great bargain right there.
Absolutely.
Good.
It saves everyone the time and effort and energy and sometimes frustration of going through the process. And as long as the escrow is opened with Western Title, it's waived.
So that's a win-win situation for everyone. So thank you very much, Cindee, for being here and sharing this process with us today.
You're welcome.
It sounds like a wonderful value-added service provided by Western Title. If you have any other questions on that or any other service that we can offer you, you can visit us at www.westerntitle.net, or you can call our main line 775-332-7100. Also, feel free to contact any one of our sales representatives or escrow officers should you want more information. We have a wonderful handbook on short sale transactions that will walk you through the process, and that information is available to you upon request. Thank you.